Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Okay, learners, our next topic is factors, highest common factor, multiples, least common multiple, LCM. First of all, factors. Factors, I have told you that factors are the numbers which are divisible on that number, the number which is divisible by the other numbers. For example, I have to find the factors of 16. 16 is divisible on 1, yes. 2, yes. 3, no. 4, yes. 5, no. 6, no. 7, 8, yes. 9, no. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So, number is divisible on 2, yes. 2 8s are 16. 4 4s are 16, 8 2s are 16, 16 1s are 16. These are the factors of 16. Similarly, I have to find the factors of 65. 65. 1 is factor of 65. Yes, 1 is the factor of all the number. Every number has 1 as a factor. Factors of a number can be find by reading the table from 1 to onward. 2 is not a factor of 65. Similarly, we read the table of 3 4 5 6 7 5. 5, yes, 5 is the factor of 65. We can check the rule of divisibility on this also to check the factors. Why 5 is divisible, number at unit place is 5, so the number is also divisible on 5. The number which is divisible on the other number will be factor of the original number. Then 13 is factor of 65 and 65 is factor of 65. We have learned that the number 1 and the number itself are the factors of all the numbers. This is the factor. So now we have to check the common factor and prime factorizations of the number. How to prime factorize a number. For example, I have a number 12. I have to check the prime factorization of this number. How to check the prime factorization? Let's see. 12. 2 is a prime number. Yes. 2 6 are 12. Is 6 a prime number? No, because 6 has more than 2 factors. So 6 is not a prime number. 3 is 3 a prime number? Yes. 2, yes. 2 3s are 6. 3 1s are 3. The prime factors of 12 are 2, 2 and 3. Similarly, we can check the prime factor of 36. Let's see. 2 1s are 2, 1 will be carried. 2 8s are 16. 2 9s are 8. 18 was not prime number, so I have to divide it again. 2 9s are 18. 9 is also not a prime number, it is a composite number. 3, I have to divide it in prime number. 3 is a prime number, yes. 3 1s are 3. The prime factorization of 36 is 2 2 3 3. This is called prime factorization. Now I have to check the common factors of a number. I have a number 6 and 9. To check the prime factorization common factors. Now I have to divide 6. 2 3s are 6, 3 1s are 3. I have made the factors of 6. Now 9. 3 3s are 9, 3 1s are 3. Factors of 6 are 2 3 1. Factors of 9 are 3 3 1. Common factors are 3 and 1. These are the common factors. In this way we can check the common factors of two numbers, three numbers and multiple numbers. Now I have to check the HCF, highest common factor. These were the common factors. Now I have to check the HCF, highest common factor of the numbers. I have a number 36 and 45. 36 and 45. A question: to solve with prime factorization and check the highest common factor. I have to solve this by using prime factorization and also check the highest common factor. Let's have the prime factors of 36. 2 1s are 2, 1 will be carried, 2 8s are 16, 2 9s are 18, 3 3s are 9, 3 1s are 3. These are the prime factors of 36. 45, I have to check the prime factors of 45. 5 9s are 45. I will start from 2, 3 and so on. 2 is not divisible by 5, so I have to multiply with 5. So 3 3s are 9, 3 1s are 3. Factors of 36 are 2 multiplied by, these factors will be written 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3. Now factors of 45 are 5 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3. Common factors 3, yes, 3, yes, there is no other common factor. Now I have to find, these are the common factors. Common factors 3 and 3. Highest common factor will be multiplication of these two numbers. The result will be 9. So HCF will be 9. This can be done using a Venn diagram. Venn diagram is a diagram which is pictorial representation of the data. I have factors of 36, 2, 2, 3, 3. I have factors of 45 are 5, 3, 3. Now in Venn diagram we will combine these two shapes and the common factors will be written separately. I will combine these two shapes. Yes. Now the common factors and uncommon will be separately. I have 3 as common, 3 as common. 2 and 2 are not common. 5 and just 5 is not common because 3 and 3 is 2 times in this shape, 3 is 2 times in this shape. We will write only once common in this shape. This will be common factors. Now we have to check the HCF. 3 3s are 9, then the 9 is HCF of these two numbers. Next topic is multiple. What are the multiples? The two difference between factors and multiple is that factors are limited. means they end C 1, 2, 4, 8 and 16. They are not unlimited, they are countable, but multiples are not countable. I have factors of 12 as 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 12. These are the factors of 12, but I have multiple of 12 are, we have to read the table of 12. 12 ones are 12, yes. 12 twos are 24. 12 threes are, and so on. These will never end, while factors end at a specific digit. In multiples, multiples never end, they have no limit. Multiples of our number, we can say that, are unlimited. Every number is multiple of 1 itself, as every number has factor of 1 is factor of every number. Now multiples, we have to check the multiples and then common multiples. Have a look of this question 12 and 16. I have to write the multiples of these two numbers. Multiple of 12, 24, 36, 48, 60, 72, and so on. Similarly, we will read the table of 16. 16 ones are 16, 16 twos are 32, 16 threes are 48, and so on. Now I have common multiple, which is 48. I have to define the LCM, lowest common multiple, which is 48. Have another example. I have to check the multiple of 2 and 3. 2 and 3. Multiples of 2. 2, 4, 8, 10, 12, 14, and so on. Multiples of 3. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, and so on. We have common multiples 6, 12, 18 will be some here, because 14, 16, 18, 18 will be also common, but we have to write the lowest common multiple. 6, 12 and 18 are the multiples of 2 and 3. When I have to write the lowest common multiple, then 6 is the lowest common multiple, which is the LCM. Similarly, we can find the LCM by using division method, which is very easy. By using multiple is not very easy, but by using division method it is easy. I have the number to check the multiples and then the lowest common multiple. So the numbers are 21, 14 and 7. I have told you there are two processes to solve this question, to solve the LCM, lowest common multiple by using multiple. First method. Multiple of 7. 7 ones are 7, 7 twos are 14, 21, 28. जी बाजी, as 28, 35 and 42. Multiples of 14. 14, 28, 42, 56, 70, 84. Multiples of 21. 21, 42, 63, 84 and so on. Now I have to check the common multiples. 42, 42 and 42. 42 is only common multiple, lowest common multiple of the numbers 21, 14 and 7. Now by using division method, I have to check the multiples of 7. 7 ones are 7. Now 14. 2 sevens are 14. 7 ones are 7. 21. 3 sevens are 21. 7 ones are 7. I have the prime factorization of these numbers. I will write the factor multiples of 7 are 7 and 1. Multiples of 14 are 2, 7 and 1. Multiples of 21 are 3, 7 and 1. In this method we will write common factors and uncommon factors both. I have the common factors 7, 1, so I will write 7 multiplied by 1. Uncommon factors are 2 and 3. Now to find the LCM, I will multiply the common factors and uncommon factors both to get the result. 7 multiplied by 6. 7 6 are 42. 42 is the lowest common multiple. In these two ways, by using multiple and by using division method, we can solve the question. These can be of 2 digits, 3 digits and 3 numbers, 4 numbers, 5 numbers, up to many numbers. The procedure is that you will find the prime factorization and then write the common factors and uncommon factor. To find the LCM, you will multiply common factor with uncommon factors. Thank you. One thing I must tell you, that if you want to solve the word problems, you must check that this question is of HCF or LCM. To have the identity of HCF, the problem must involve keywords such as maximum, greatest and equal. But in LCM, minimum, lowest and not equal. These are the understanding keywords of word problem while solving them. Thank you. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.